I've had my eye on this mattress for a long time, so let's dive in. Hi everybody, my name is Doug. I'm sitting on the Alexander Signature Hybrid Mattress by Nest Bedding, which is made right here in the USA. And I've slept on this mattress now for over 45 nights. And I'm going to let you know what I think about it. But before I get into the details, this channel is all about mattresses, pillows, bed frames, and finding what you need for a good night's sleep. If that sounds interesting to you, please click the thumbs up button and please subscribe to my channel. So let's cut to the chase. What did I think of this mattress? In short, I love it. I would say this is one of the 2 or 3 best mattresses that I've ever owned. And in addition to that, my wife loves it. And that is a special thing indeed, because we don't always agree, but in this case, it's a great compromise that we all get what we want. Both of us get what we want. I'm not going to go into a lot of details about the technical specifications and makeup. If you want lots of details, I'll put a link in the description box down below for the Nest Bedding website. But just a couple quick highlights. It is 13 inches thick, maybe 13 and a half, somewhere in that range according to their website. I measured it. Here's a standard 12-inch ruler, and it's just about an inch higher than this ruler, so that seems about right around 13 inches. It has handles, which I love. That makes it easy to move around, so that's definitely a bonus feature. The fit and finish, the makeup, the zipper, the stitch work is all very nice. The tufting, the loft, whatever you call it, is just what I want to see in a mattress. If it's not obvious, this is a bed-in-the-box mattress. It came delivered to me by UPS or FedEx about 2 to 5 days after I ordered it. Compressed, rolled up in a box. 2 things to note. One is, if you want to see an unboxing, I'll put a card up here in the corner for my separate unboxing video. Secondly, because it's a fairly thick mattress, 13 inches, you might want to consider a low-profile platform bed or box spring. This white area here is a box spring or bed frame, you could call it. This is the Zenith low-profile box spring. I've got a separate video on that also from 3 or so years ago. I'll put a card for that up there in the corner. It's a hybrid mattress, which is my personal favorite kind. So on the bottom you've got coils, mostly, and then up above you have a comfort layer. Inside the quilted top there is some quilting material, as well as like a 1/2 inch of gel memory foam. And then you've got this primary comfort layer here, which is about 3 inches thick, and it's sort of like a cooling foam. It's not gel foam, so it's not super squishy, but it's not hard either. In my opinion, it's just about right. I'm going to show you the primary comfort layer here by unzipping the mattress. Now, putting in a zipper here was downright genius in my opinion. So here's the TitanChill Endurance Foam. And you'll see it sits kind of down inside its own little area here. And it's just sort of an internal well. Now, if it looks slightly yellowed over here on camera, that's just the shadow, because I'm using daylight. It's not. It's supposed to be a little yellow, but it's not like a faded yellow or anything. And you'll see on mine, somebody used a marker and wrote medium on the side. Just taking a look at it here, you can see it's a responsive foam. It's not a memory foam. It bounces right back. And in conjunction with the top comfort layer, the quilted layer, which has just a little bit of gel memory foam in it, together they make a really nice feel, in my opinion. Now, part of the genius is this layer can be traded out during your trial period. If you want to switch from, say, luxury firm to medium, you can do that during your trial period as a one-time exchange for free. Later on, after your trial period, you can always buy a new comfort layer if you don't want to buy a whole new mattress. According to the Nest Bedding website, on the firmness scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the most firm, this comes in somewhere around about a 4, 4.5. My judgment is a little different. I would say it's between a 5.5 and a 6, but of course, feel or firmness is a matter of preference, so kind of depends on what you want. To be specific, this one is a medium. It comes in 3 firmness levels. There's a plush, which is the softest, a medium, this one, and then a luxury firm, which is the most firm, which would probably be more like a 7 or 8. So let's get some views of me laying on it. I'll share more about how I felt on the Alexander Signature Hybrid Mattress. When I lay on my side, I feel very well supported. The mattress is letting me sink in a little, but not too much. I'm not floating on top, nor am I sinking in. I'm being cradled just a little bit. My shoulders are comfortable, not too much pressure. My hips are comfortable, not too much pressure, without having that sinking feeling. Everyone's different. Everyone has different body shapes. For reference, I weigh in the neighborhood of 200 pounds, and I am 5'11". Switching over to laying on my back. I do generally sleep on my back at the beginning of the night and usually change positions during the night. So I'm a combo backside sleeper. This is extremely comfortable. The mattress does adjust to my back, but that adjustment is local. It's not global. In other words, it only adjusts around the part of my back that I want it to. My hips come down just the right amount, not too much, not too little. I can feel the combination of the independently encased coils with the comfort layers above it, providing support while at the same time not being so soft that there's any sagging. So just right for what I need. I don't personally do any stomach sleeping, but if I were to, this feels pretty good. Again, the same feel that's like on my hips. I can feel it sinking in a little, but not too much. Next up, we're going to check motion transfer and the amount of bounce. So first, the bowling ball test. This bowling ball weighs between 12 and 16 pounds. I'm just going to drop it from a variety of heights and positions. You can keep your eye on those books there to see how much the motion transfers. You can see there is a minimal amount, but it does deaden the bounce a fair bit. It's not enough that I would be concerned. Are there other mattresses that control motion transfer more? Yes, there are, but it's not bad. There's nothing wrong with it. I'd even say it's above average for a hybrid mattress. Here's the sledgehammer of discernment. I just pound that down in a few places. Now we're seeing a little more motion transfer. We're seeing a little more to the books jiggling. Again, pretty well controlled overall. I know my head is partially cut off, but oh well. As it relates to the edge support, when I sit with my bottom all the way back, I feel very little sinkage. It looks like maybe about 2 inches of sinking down. When I move to a more extreme position on the edge, now it's collapsing a little bit more like 4 to 5 inches of sinkage here. This mattress is one where you're not able to, in my opinion, sleep right on the edge. It does have just a little bit of a roll-out feeling because of this. The way the top layer is constructed is sort of almost like a Euro top. It doesn't have like a thick edge piece around the springs to prevent the rollout like some others do. To me, that's not a big deal because as long as you're like here, you're fine. But I don't know, for some reason you need to lay right on the edge, or like maybe a very elderly person who has a hard time standing up. It doesn't have the world's best edge support, but it's really not bad. I would say it's just pretty average edge support. Just a glance at the top and the quilting here. I really love the quilting. I really love the overall feel. It feels very luxurious. These little tufts here fill your back so nicely if you sleep on your back. I just really like that aspect. So who would this mattress be good for? Who would the Signature Hybrid Alexander by Nest Bedding not be good for? Well, starting with who it would not be good for, 2 thoughts come to mind. First of all would be someone who wants a memory foam feel. This is definitely not a memory foam bed. You're not going to sink down into it. It does not have that Tempur-Pedic type feel. Secondly, if you have a very limited budget, while this isn't the most expensive mattress out there by any means, it's actually pretty middle of the road as it relates to good quality online mattresses. A queen size does run around $1,500 for the list price, but there's almost always a sale of some kind going on that takes it down to somewhere around $1,200. Right now, in fact, as I'm filming this, there is a sale on the Nest website. I would appreciate it if you use the link in the description box to get to the Nest Bedding website. That way it benefits me, and that costs you nothing. Now, in terms of who would this mattress be good for, I think it's a great mattress for couples, or if you need to get a compromise mattress. Now, just to let you know, with the King and Cal King, you can split the preferences on the sides, so you could have one person be medium and one person be the luxury firm. But again, that's only available king and up, not available on queen like this one. I'm reviewing the medium, which is great for my wife and I. She likes a pretty firm mattress. I like more of a moderately firm mattress, but we both were able to agree on this one. It has pretty good support. Another reason I think this is a good mattress for couples is that because it kind of conforms locally, not globally, if there's a big weight disparity, there is between my wife and I weigh quite a bit more than her, I don't cause her to roll towards me. It supports both of us well. Because of the comfort layer being removable, another advantage is that you can change that during your 100-night trial, or you could buy another comfort layer later, save on disposing of a mattress, save on your costs. So it is an eco-friendly mattress in that sense, if that's important to you. But also, it would be a great mattress just for someone that has a hard time committing. Because you can always change it later without replacing the whole thing if you need to, because it has that really unique removable comfort layer, which I absolutely love. I also want to speak about support after the sale, which is very important and something that attracted me to Nest Bedding. First of all, there's a 100-night risk-free trial period. If you don't like it for any reason during that first 100 nights, you can return it scot-free, get your money back. Secondly, it does have a lifetime warranty, and when you think of sags or indentations, any indentation that is an inch or more will trigger the warranty, and Nest will have to honor that. That's a big deal because there's a lot of other companies out there where they don't consider a sag to be warrantyable until it reaches 1.5 inches to 2 inches, which by that point it's unbearable. So the fact that Nest sets it at 1 inch sets them apart fairly well. There's a few other companies, but not many that have that good of a warranty. And it's lifetime. And then thirdly, and to me this is most important of all, there's also a lifetime comfort guarantee. I'm going to explain this as best as I can, but if anybody from the company thinks I messed up, put a comment in the comment section and let me know. So after your first 100 nights, anytime during your life of ownership, you can buy either a whole new mattress or a new comfort layer only for 30% off the list price. In other words, Nest is acknowledging that the comfort of mattresses don't last forever and it's different for everyone. So even if it's not a warrantyable item, which would be like a defect or a sag of more than 1 inch, assuming you took care of it properly, even if it's not a warrantyable item, just a comfort issue, say 6 months down the road, a year down the road, 8 years down the road, you can actually get your next Nest Bedding mattress for 30% off. Now you can't keep doing that over and over again. Once you've done it once, that's it, the comfort guarantee ends. But you could pay full price for a Nest Bedding mattress, get the next one 30% off, then pay full price, then get the next one 30% off. So basically, every other Nest Bedding mattress you buy for the rest of your life, you can get at 30% off. They're trying to earn a lifetime of business from you, and I think that says that they really stand by their product. I would appreciate it if you're thinking about getting a Nest Bedding mattress, please use the link that I have provided in the description box down below. That's a referral link for me, helps support my channel, and doesn't cost you anything extra to use. I would like to hear your comments. Put a comment down below. I will try my best to personally answer all comments. And again, if you appreciate this channel, please click the like button and please subscribe. Catch you next time.